buildings consume 30% of global energy. That fact alone presents a high-value opportunity to achieve next-level energy savings in any building, plant, or center. For any ecosystem, energy management can be the first step towards a fully integrated IoT strategy that optimizes productivity and ultimately realizes cost-saving goals. Leaving HVAC running whilst the room is empty? Are the lights left on when not in use? What do you get? Wasted energy. What's the solution? Simply put, on-demand usage. At IoT.nxt, we facilitate productive usage and management by reducing system downtime and overlaying your infrastructure with smart IoT solutions that culminate in a platform designed to enable evidence-based decision-making in your building on the run. From schools and universities to server rooms and base stations, we have a solution that unlocks real-time, condition-based monitoring, predictive maintenance, and self-healing system design. If you're not harnessing the ability to monitor every single cell of data in energy management, then it's time for an IoT.nxt solution. The problem: legacy systems, increased need for environmental regulation, energy demand at an all-time high. The solution: a connected network of assets that communicate efficiently with a single view of your entire system is vital to compete in a digitized world. In an ever-evolving market, this becomes essential to improve the efficiency of your supply, monitor current infrastructure, comply with regulations, and achieve a heightened customer experience. Smart energy management is the key to delivering cost-effective, proactive systems in any ecosystem. Real-time monitoring of all assets achieves improved forecasts, theft detection, outage management, and simultaneously reduces site visits and costly downtime. Alongside rapid deployment, our solution also achieves rapid ROI within 6 months of implementation, whilst overlaying legacy investments. Solution components such as smart scheduling, predictive maintenance, and custom-built strategy for individual projects are the keys to unlocking untapped potential and implementing cost-saving initiatives. With our smart Raptor Gateway underpinning our smart energy solution, we future-proof your ecosystem and keep you ahead of the game. Faster and cheaper than you think. It's still your business, only better.